If you have a low credit score and need money for emergencies, debt consolidation, or personal expenses, getting approved for a loan can be difficult. Many traditional banks reject borrowers with bad credit, but the good news is that some lenders specialize in personal loans for people with low credit scores. In this video, we'll look at 3 of the best bad credit personal loan options in the United States in 2026. Let's get started. The first option is Upstart. Upstart is considered one of the best lenders for people with bad credit because it uses artificial intelligence to evaluate borrowers, not just their credit score. Instead, it also looks at factors like your income, education, and employment history. Loans usually range from $1,000 up to $75,000, and the estimated APR ranges from around 6.7% to 35.99% depending on your profile. One of the biggest advantages is that funding can sometimes arrive within 1 business day after approval. This makes Upstart a good option for borrowers who have a thin credit history or a lower credit score. The second option is Avant, is known for offering loans to borrowers with credit scores starting around 580, which is lower than many traditional lenders accept. Loan amounts usually range from $2,000 to $35,000, and interest rates typically range between about 9.95% and 35.99% APR. The application process is completely online and approvals can be relatively quick. Another advantage is that Avant reports payments to the major credit bureaus, which means making on-time payments can help improve your credit score over time. The third option is Upgrade. Upgrade is a popular lender for borrowers who want to consolidate credit card debt or rebuild their credit. Loan amounts can range from $1,000 up to $50,000, with APR rates typically between about 7.7% and 35.99% depending on your credit profile. Repayment terms usually range from 24 to 84 months, giving borrowers flexible payment options. Upgrade also offers credit monitoring tools and autopay discounts, which can help borrowers manage their loans more easily. So in summary, 3 of the best bad credit personal loan options in the United States in 2026 are Upstart, best overall for low credit borrowers; Avant, good for credit scores around 580; Upgrade, great for debt consolidation and rebuilding credit even if your credit score is low. These lenders may still approve you depending on your income and financial profile. And that's it. If this video helped you learn about the best bad credit personal loans in the USA in 2026, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more finance and money tips.